Hello everybody, today we're doing a video for GTA Car Kits and we're going to be installing our InDash mount holder into 2018 Jeep Wrangler. So you're going to get in the package, the main thing is the bracket, which we're going to show you how to install behind the dash here. So the tools that you're going to need is a 7mm with an extension, panel removal tool, and also a 8mm socket. We're going to remove this panel underneath the steering wheel. It just pulls out. It's pretty easy to take it out, and it drops down and you just remove it. When you're going to be putting it back, you just first put in the bottom piece and then you clip it back. Over here you're going to see there's one bolt right here, 7mm, and there's the exact same one on the other side right here. So these are the two that we're going to remove. Next thing we're going to remove is this piece right here, and if you look inside you're going to see there's another 7mm. So there's 4 7mm holding this panel to the dashboard. So we're going to remove this window switch. We're going to use our panel removal tool. In order to unplug it, we're going to push this red clip to the left. Then once you press it down, you're going to be able to unplug it. And once you unplug it, you're going to see the 4th bolt. So this is also 7mm. So we're going to go ahead and remove these 4 bolts. So one here, one on top, and 2 under the steering wheel. And we're also going to put the steering wheel all the way down. That will give us more access to remove this panel. So once you remove the 4 bolts, this piece of the dash can come out. So we're going to start from the left side. So as you can see here, dashboard is removed. So now we're going to remove these 2 7mm, and then we're going to show you how to attach the bracket. So now that we removed the 2 bolts, we're going to take our bracket. So we're going to make sure that it goes this way on the car, and with this slope it's facing down. We're going to attach it here and put first bolt in. So it's also 7mm, like all the other ones we have used. And there's also one in the bottom. So once this bracket is attached, now we can put back this dashboard piece and put all the bolts back. So as you can see here, we put everything back, and now we just have this visible bracket. So now we're going to take the second half of the bracket and unscrew these 2 little nuts, and they're, like I mentioned before, they're size 8mm instead of the 7 that we used everywhere else. So we're going to take this bracket, put it here. So we're going to take our socket with an extension and tighten it gently. Don't over tighten it because you don't want to strip or break these little bolts. This swivel mount, you can also mount it a little lower or higher, but actually no, this is the highest position right now. So you can move it a little bit to the left or whichever position, but we chose to mount it all the way up. And then we're going to take our holder, and it just slides on. So with the swivel, if you loosen it, you're able to position the phone sideways, or right here. We're just going to keep it like that. So we're going to take our iPhone 7 Plus, which is a pretty big phone, and it just slides in, just like that. And you can take it out. So basically, you adjust the holder to your size of the phone, then you tilt it to take it out, and then you just put it in like that. And you also have these 2 little feet at the bottom, and these also can be adjusted up and down. So this would be your final look of our InDash built holder. So I hope you liked the video, and we'll see you next time.